Hi friends, welcome to Adda 24/7. We are in the Achiever series for RBWM. Here we are covering the important theory, numericals and objective questions. So follow the series till the end because this is very useful for you from the exam point of view. Let's start without wasting the time. Which of the following, once, yeah, you read this, which of the following is true with regards to KYC form? So which of them is true with regards to KYC form? Now what is KYC form? KYC form is taken when we take a new customer on board, right? When we open the account of a new customer. So generally at that time we do take. Even in between it's allowed now because it's not that one customer who is 10 years long, 10 years old. He had given the KYC, he or she had given the KYC while opening the account 10 years back. After 10 years, no KYC, that's not allowed. So now we have classified the customers as per the low risk, high risk, medium risk customers, right? And accordingly, we do take the KYC forms. So which of the following is true with regards to the KYC forms? A. It is statutory requirement for opening of the bank account. B. It is obtained with a view to know the customer and his background. The information also serves the purpose for cross-selling of other products to the customers and all of the above. So what is true? Now we want what is true. So what is this KYC part? Main part is compliance. Compliance part is okay. Means what is the use of KYC form? First is compliance. As per RBI's directives, you have to follow the compliance part, right? So that is done. So that's why let's look from the compliance angle. It is statutory requirement for opening of the bank account. So right, statutory means what? Compulsory requirement. It is obtained with a view to know the customer and its background. So again, this is the compliance part. Background means we have to check what that customer has done, whether this customer is a terrorist, whether this customer is a fraud person. So that is again the compliance part. So A is okay, B is also okay, and C, the information also serves the purpose for cross-selling of other products to the customer. Now this is what you have to answer. Whether the answer is D over here, whether C can be used for this KYC form can be useful for marketing purpose, whether it can be useful for marketing purpose, that's what you have to think now. And that's what you have to answer. A, B or C. Let me see who can answer it. A, B or C. Means A, B or D. A, B, C or D. D means all of the above. So the answer is D, correct. Here, KYC form is used for both the purposes. It's not only compliance, it is used for the marketing purpose also. Okay. Whenever the customer writes he has one car or he or she, when I say he means he or she. He or she has one car, he or she is married, he or she has one or children, own house or rented house. So in that case, you can target that customer for a new home loan. If that customer doesn't have a car, that customer writes the income, that 5 lakhs income yearly, 6 lakhs income yearly. It means what? 6 lakhs means 50,000 a month, right? So definitely you can get a 10,000 EMI from that customer. Okay. So if 10,000 EMI is got means what? How much loan can be given? What type of loan can be given? That's what the bank thinks. And that's what is the marketing part. That's why KYC form is used for both compliance and marketing. So the answer is D, all of the above. Which of the following information is not the part of KYC form? Not. Which of them is not the part of KYC form? Occupation, nationality, accommodation, conveyance, purpose of opening the account, and none of the above. So which of them is not the part? Now this is what you think. Which of them is not the part? Is it required by the customer to give you that purpose of opening the account? Suppose if I say, no, I don't know, want to give you why this account is opened. I want it for myself. I'm not giving you this reason. So is it allowed? What do you think? Occupation, nationality, yes, that is to be given. Occupation means what is my income, whether I am an Indian person. Accommodation, conveyance means rented house, own house. Conveyance means do I have a car or two-wheeler. Purpose of opening the account. So now these A and B are required. So they are a part. But what about C? Is C the not the part of account opening form? Means is it that I'm not required to give the purpose? What do you think, guys? Answer it A, B, C, or D. A, B, C, or D. Purpose. This is the only crux. Whether this is required, not the part. This one. Or is it D? None of the above. So this is a hint. Either C or D. So the answer is D. D. None of the above. Everything is a part of the account opening form. I have to give why am I opening this account. Because suppose let's say I open a savings account with you and my plan is to get some business money in that savings account. Means if I give it, if I am feeling that okay some business money will come, so I'll be putting it in this money. So that's not allowed. Business money is to be kept in the current account. So purpose of opening the account is a compulsory part. So all these are compulsory. I'll write it over here. Compulsory. Oh, I'll write it singly. Compulsory. All these are compulsory in account opening. Okay. So everything is a part of KYC form. But what do we want? We want not. So that's why D. The KYC form information enables the bank to A. Biographical, B. Professional, C. Social, D. Credit profile of the customer. Means these KYC forms can be used for what? Biographical. Professional means what is the profession of that customer. Social means what is the family status, what is the income status, what is the house, whether it's rented or owned. Credit profile, how much is the loan taken by that customer earlier. So can we use this KYC form for this? For classifying that customer into these 4-5 categories. A to B all. A to B all means A to B only. A and D only. A to C. A, C and D. I think so it should be A to D all. D it should be. A to D all. Okay. So can I use it for the same? Think over it. Think over it. Yes, 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 yes. What can be the answer? Think over it. Yes. What can be the answer in this? Yeah, it is. Correct. A to D all. Everything. See here. Biographical. Biographical means what? See, what is biographical? Biography. What is the word biography means? Autobiography. Right? So autobiography means what? My whole previous whatever I have done in my life. So biography means the same part. Okay. So biography means whatever I have done in my life up till now. So can I get it from there? Yes, I can get it. Because if I am having a own house, it means I have worked somewhere. That's why I am having that own house. Or my parents might have given me ancestral property. Means anything. I might be from the rich family then. So biographical, professional, whatever I am doing. What is my income level? So that is professional. Social means, as I give you this example, what is my family status? What is my car? Do I have a car? Do I have a own house? Credit profile, earlier loans. Okay, so the answer is D. A to D all. Answer is A. Credit products offered by the banks are traditional credit schemes and market-oriented new credit schemes. Which of the following is a part of traditional credit schemes? Now understand the difference. Traditional credit schemes and market oriented new credit schemes. What is all this traditional and market oriented? See, this traditional means general your earlier loans which have been carried out since long ages. Now the names they are given over here. So that's why the question is traditional, old, long ages. I'll give you something about new also later. cash credit and OD, demand loans and term loans, bill finance, all of the above. So which of them are the traditional products? Which of them? Is bill finance a traditional product? Is this OD or is this bill finance new term recently come in? You might not have heard, right? Many of you in the bank might not have heard about bill finance because many of the banks don't do it. And many branches don't do it. Banks do it. Every bank does it. So which of them is a traditional product? You answer this, traditional. In the meantime, I'll give you the new credit schemes. What are the new credit schemes? New credit schemes means the later, due to the IT revolution, whatever has come. What has come due to the IT revolution? Credit cards. Credit cards were never there earlier. So credit cards, right? Then after credit cards, you have new consumer loans, small amount consumer loans, small ticket consumer loans, okay? LAS, loan against security, loan against shares you call it. Simple word LAS, loan against shares. Generally it is given for shares. So these are new credit schemes, which were not a part of the traditional credit schemes, okay? But what is the traditional then? What is the answer? Let me see in the comment section. What is the answer? The answer is D, all of the above. Cash credit and OD, it is the old system. Demand loans and term loans, old. Bill finance, old. Means these have been carried out since 1900s or whenever the bank started. What is CCOD? CCOD is a loan which can be repaid anytime. On demand we call it. On demand. Okay, this is known as CCOD. On demand. It can be paid whenever it's required by the bank or even the customer can repay it anytime. In CCOD, we only pay the interest every month. We never pay the EMI. Demand loans and term loans. So demand loan means it's again the same part. Okay, CCOD. Term loan means your home loan. Simple. Home loan, car loan. These are all term loans. Where you pay EMI. EMI. In CCOD, we don't pay the EMI. We pay only interest. We pay only interest over here. Bill finance. Bill finance is also on-demand loan. Demand loan you can call it. Demand. This is similar to CCOD. Okay, this is given for the customers who are having the additional demand for loan. Suppose if Reliance comes to you. So Reliance will be having CC, term loan, even OD and bill finance. Okay, so the answer is all of the above. Got it? Which of the following is not included in the new market oriented retail schemes? Not included, yeah. Not included in the new market retail credit schemes. So which of them? Not included. Read the options. Home loans, auto loans, credit card receivables, personal loan, consumer loans, none of the above. Not included. Yeah. Think over it. Think over it. Not included. Not included. Yes. Which of them is not included? Is home loan the part of new retail schemes nowadays? New retail credit schemes means all loans, basically retail loans. Is home loan the part of new retail loans nowadays? Auto loans is a part of that? Yes, it is. Because I'll give you one simple survey. 60% of the bank's incomes nowadays comes from home loans. 60%. Such a huge market this is. Auto loans is also a part of new credit schemes. Remember, credit scheme doesn't mean credit card scheme. Credit card is different. Credit scheme is different. Credit means loans and credit card is a part of the loan. Okay. So remember, credit means loans. This is a part of the loan. It can be anything. It can be one of them is credit card. Then one of them is home loan. One of them is car loan. Okay, car loan. One of them is that LAS, loan against shares. Everything. You can go on and on. Credit card receivable. So that is also a part of the new loan. means loans. So that is also a part. Personal loan and consumer loan, that is also a part. So which of them is not included in the new market-oriented credit schemes? That is D. None of the above. All of them are included. Every loan is a part of your new credit scheme nowadays. Only the thing what has happened is home loans were there earlier also. Home loans are there now also. Then what has changed now? The fastness, speed, that has changed. Customer acquisition has changed. Okay. The other products that bank offers to their customers include which of the following remittance services? Now, other products means what? The products which are not the core products of the bank. Means, what is the core product of the bank? Yesterday we saw it. Deposit and loans. These are the core products of the bank. So what are the other products then? Which are not the deposits or loans. These are like remittances, lockers, okay? Which are not, these are called as ancillary services. So other products that bank offers to the customers include which of the following remittance services? Demand draft, NEFT, RTGS, UPI. Is it A to C all? Is it A and B only? B and C, A and C? Okay, I'll ask you one question. UPI. Is UPI offered by the bank, or is it means does the customer come in the branch and then does the UPI? He or she does it from the home. So is bank offering it or your branch offering it? So is the answer only A and B then? Think over it. What is the answer? Think. The answer is yes. A to C all. See here, everyone understand. Demand draft, that is a payment system. Nowadays it's very less, almost gone, right? Who uses demand draft nowadays? Type in the comment section. How many of you have given the demand draft in last 6 months? And how many demand draft? One or two is it's okay. Some government officers still ask for those demand drafts. Nowadays nobody asks for the demand drafts, right? So demand draft. NEFT. NEFT is a regular feature. Every day we do give it, isn't it? RTGS. RTGS we give it. UPI. UPI now. UPI is a catch over here. See this. Many of you might think that UPI, this customer doesn't come to the branch. Does the customer come to the branch for UPI? No. But then how can I say UPI is given by my branch or my bank? Because it's on your app. Means it's a part of your total payment systems nowadays. So that's why UPI, although the customer doesn't come to the branch, then also he is using your services. So that's why UPI is a part of the bank's offerings. So he or she, the customer, is using anyone who's using the UPI is a part of your banking system, your bank remittance system. Okay, so the answer is A to C all. Which of the following is a fee-based service which the banks offer to their customers? Collection of checks, safe deposit lockers, merchant banking services, portfolio management, and home loans. So which of them is a fee-based service? What do you say? Fee-based. Think over it, think over it. This is a tricky one. This is a difficult one. Yeah. Fee-based. Now you'll say, sir, fee-based is okay. We understand something that we take commission from that customer in either way. Here, fee-based means what? It can be in any form. I can take a personal direct fees, or I can take some locker rent. Locker rent means what? What is rent? Rent is after all a sort of fee only, isn't it? So many of you might say that okay, B is okay, sir. Safe deposit locker, we take the rent and do it. Collection of checks, where do we take the money from that customer? Suppose if I send a check for collection, so do I take for clearing that money? No, but for outstation checks we do take. But are there outstation checks now? That is also a point. So see here, as per theory, as per your book, collection of checks means outstation checks. So I'll write it over here. Collection of checks, okay, equals to outstation. outstation checks, but these are very less now. These have become less frequent. Almost, who gives you outstation check today? Tell me, in this CTS age, right? So collection of checks gone. Okay, means after all that is a part of your this fee-based income, but practically it's not there. But in books for your JIB exam, it is there. Okay, in your JIB exam, they still ask you about outstation checks. Why I don't know, but they ask you. So that's why you have to remember. Safe deposit locker, yes. Merchant banking services. You'll say, sir, what is this merchant banking? I've heard it for the first time. What is merchant banking? I don't know what is merchant banking. What is this? Merchant banking is a part of banking. Remember, banking is of almost 7 types. What we do is just one part, retail banking. Banking is of, I'll give you some names. See this, retail, then trade finance, then agency service. Bank also does the agency service. Okay, commercial banking, universal banking, what do we call them? Wholesale banking. Okay, these are all, and merchant banking is one of them. IPOs. What is merchant banking? IPOs. When I'll write it here, merchant banking over here means IPOs. When your Reliance brings any IPO, right? We go for those shares, buy those shares. So that is a service given by the bank itself. Some part of your bank is giving it. You see the banker's name in those IPO forms. You'll find the name of the banks. Portfolio management, right? Portfolio is a part of wealth management. Serving the customers means, suppose if I'm an HNI, high net worth customer, very huge money, 100 crores in my account, 200 crores in my account. So I'll have to manage that money. I can't manage it on my own. That's why I use the professional services and home loans. So home loans is also a fee-based income only. We charge fees for that. So that's why the answer is, is it, okay, let me check this home loan. Is home loan a fee-based? I have told home loan, so everybody is typing home loan. Is home loan a fee-based income? Isn't it? Okay, I'll say, okay, let's do one trick over here. I'll say the answer is A to E all. And what do you say? You say it A to E, or do you say A to D? Home loan is not a part of fee-based. Let me check. I'll say answer is A to E all, and you say A to D. Now what do you think? Is the option C or D? Think. Now this is a trick, and this is what we do. Okay, I'll give you some simple logic. Home loans. Don't we charge fees to that customer while opening that home loan? Fees we charge. Then many of you might be feeling, yes sir, processing fees charged. So this is a fee-based income. But the answer is no. The answer is D. A to D all. Home loan is not a fee-based income. The processing fees which we charge to that customer is for processing the hard work which we are doing. What all do we do? Do we do on home loan? Appraisal, visit, then that various other things like valuations, valuation report, getting that valuation report, search and title report. For that our employees required, and that is a processing fee. But that is not a fee-based income. So the answer is A to D all. Answer is not A to E all. It is A to D all. Home loans is not a part of your this fee-based income. Letter of credit and guarantee are credit-based, fund-based offers, fund-based, credit-based, non-fund-based offers, non-credit-based, fund-based offers, and non-credit-based, non-fund-based offers. So firstly, remember, non-credit is out because LC and guarantee are a part of credit, loan. They are a part of loans. Okay, I'll give you a simple difference. Loans are of two types. Okay, one is funded, and second is non-funded. Okay, funded means what? Again, two types. Okay, OD means demand. OD you can call it, chalo, overdraft. Here it comes CC, bill financing, everything. And second is term loan, where you have EMIs. And non-fund based means there are many. There it comes LC, bank guarantee. There are many others. I can give you 5-6 names more. Avalization, then what do we call them? Uh, this BC, yeah, takeout financing. That is all non-fund based. In fact, there can be many. For JIB level, you always remember the two LCBG. So this LCBG are credit-based non-fund offers. Non-fund based. Okay, this is a non-funded loan. What is a non-funded loan? It means whenever I issue an LC, I don't give the actual money out. I don't give the actual money out. It's just a guarantee or the word or letter from my side. Okay. More on this later. Which of the following is not true regarding the letter of credit? Not true. We want not true now regarding the LCs. It is a part of fee-based business. Bank undertakes contingent liability by issue of LC. Bank may be called upon to make the payment in case of crystallization of the liability, and none of the above. Not true. It is a part of fee-based business, so it is true because we do charge fees for the LC. Bank undertakes contingent liabilities. Contingent liability. Okay, contingent means right now I don't have to give the money, but in future I may have to. That is known as contingent, where the actual flow of money is not there right now. Okay, flow of money, okay, not there right now, but in future it might be. Bank may be called upon to make the payment. So this is what I called a future. Means in future bank may be told to pay us, okay, or to pay that party. So the answer is none of the above. Okay, correct. Let me see how many of you have typed correct D. Yeah. Okay. When a bank earns revenue by selling third-party products like insurance policies, such business is classified as fund-based, banking, para-banking, and marketing activity. So what is that called as? Insurance you sell. What is this insurance business called as? We call it TPP, right? Third-party product. That's what we call it, right? So TPP. But what is the actual word for this? Third party is okay. Third party is one part of something. So this line is called as para-banking. Remember, para-banking means that banking which is not a core product of the bank. It has many names: ancillary services, third-party products, para-banking, all these. Okay. So when the bank earns the revenue by selling the third-party products like insurance policies, here like it means third-party products are many. Write two third-party products which you sell. Two of them. One is insurance. Second one, what do you sell, guys, generally? In the comment section, do type. What do you sell generally? You sell insurance and mutual funds, correct? So that is para-banking. Now, before going, let me tell you these two batches. See this AM batch is starting on 26th Feb. Join it ASAP. All the numericals, objective questions, case studies, everything is covered. All the compulsory subjects, means all are compulsory, so all of them are covered. And Mahapack 2.0 is the best scheme for you. Here you get multiple batches per subject. Multiple batches per subject. Means for this PPB I am getting almost 5 to 6 batches, 7 batches, 8 batches. For RBWM again the same. So even if you do, let's say 5 batches, 4 batches for PPP, then it means you have done a revision of 4 times for PPP. Don't you think you might remember it during the exam time? So that's why join the batches ASAP. And there are huge discounts going on. Huge. Let me show you how. Go to Adda 24/7. I'll always suggest you to go through the app. Always. Okay. Always go through the app. Why? Because in the app you're getting 1% extra. Okay. Go to Adda 24/7. Let me show you. Say this. Go to JAIIB and CIB. Say this. Go to JAIIB and CIB. Here click on JAIIB May 24. Here in the app you'll be getting 1% extra. Use the app system. Okay. Then click on AIM batch. Here you will see the details: ebooks, test series, online live classes, expert faculties, interactive classes, recorded videos, limited size batches. Now what is this recorded videos for? Remember, recorded videos is very useful for you. If you miss out on any class, you can definitely get back to it using the recorded sessions. So use it. Okay. And what is the discount? Look at the discount. Click on buy now. Put the code Y432. Never forget this code Y432. Never forget it. Y432. Now look at it. 80% off you are getting. Plus, if you use the app, you are getting 1% extra. 81%. Isn't it the benefit? Huge offer. Huge. Similarly for Mahapack, if you buy this Mahapack, what will happen? Look at this. You get multiple batches. And how to buy this? See here, JAIIB and CIB. Then click on this Mahapack. JAIIB, CIB, Mahapack. You can click. Okay. Now you can get two. See here. Now it's a double validity offer. I would say join this JAIIB, CIB, Mahapack 2.0. It's very best because this Mahapack will be useful for you for JAIIB as well as your CIB. And right now double validity offer is going on. So if you buy it for 12 months, you get it for 24 months. What is the fees? Again, click on buy now. What is the code? Tell me the code. Y432. Never forget this code. Okay. Again say this 80% off. Plus 1% extra. So 81% off in the app. Use the app to get this 1% extra.